He may be a cybersecurity specialist, and an IP address is sent to you to find out more information about the IP as a security officer, cybersecurity officer. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to do that using Kali Linux. All right. First is to take your cursor to this terminal emulator and click. As this page opens, you are expected to type some codes that will help you get some information about this specific target. All right. So you're going to type call IP info.io forward slash the IP address you want to gather some information on. Okay. All right. You can see the line of code here. Call IP info.io forward slash 102.90.days.days. All right. Some part of this is hidden for security reason. Once you're done typing this in this terminal emulator, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. All right, and some informations have been, returned concerning this. The first is that the IP address is quoted, then followed by the location. The city is Port Harcourt, and region is Rivers, Nigeria, and the country is NG, which stands for Nigeria, and the location is this. All right, and organization is this MTN Nigeria Communication Limited. All right. Time zone is Africa, Lagos, which is a state in Nigeria as well. Okay. And readme is this. So with this simple command, you will be able to find some IP address. Okay. Information about a particular IP address. This is important. Maybe a case of fraud is reported. All right. And as a staff or a security officer in FBI department, you are given the role to find out more information about this person so that you people can start tracking the criminal, the cyber criminal. All right. So this is one of the first steps to take, which is information gathering.